Hello everyone, Frank here again. And today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to draw our not so joyful friend Eeyore over here. It's not gonna be exactly like the cartoon you are used to. I'm gonna teach you how to draw my version this time. And we're gonna start with this egg, which is more like a triangle. It looks like a rock. And then I place the top of the rock right here. It's gonna be just an arc. Then I'm gonna divide it in the middle. Unlike the other drawings we have done so far, we are going to keep these lines in the future. So for his body, I'm going to make a small oval under the rock, and then overlapping the small oval I'm gonna make a slightly bigger one like this, and then I'm gonna pull the first leg from here. Remember to not be so rigid with the lines now, because you know his skin is quite baggy. I'm gonna try to make them on the same line here. Let me see if I can measure. Okay, looks good. Now let me see if the size is the same. It's gonna end here. Now I'm gonna measure the size of the foot. Now we know he's gonna have very weak shoulders, and his first arm is gonna come from here with a curve going close to the ground, and then I'm gonna deviate a little, and this is gonna be his hand. So I'm gonna make the inside of his arm coming from here, and I'm gonna repeat the process with the other arm. And if you think the videos add some value to you, or if you just think they are fun to watch, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. It's gonna help us grow, and it's gonna make me very happy and motivated to make more videos. Thanks a lot for being with me. Your presence here is very appreciated. Now it's time to make the ears, and they're gonna be quite long, almost to the feet. I'm just gonna bring a line, and then I'm gonna go up wide at first and getting very narrow like a leaf. The other one's gonna be the same. But I decided to show the inside of just one of them. Now for the hair, I'm gonna make a chunk of hair here, a few strands on top, and it looks like a plant. Now for his eyes, it's just an oval behind his snout or his nose. There is a certain distance between them. But he looks too joyful when you look at him like this, so I'm going to make a couple of curves to show how happy he is. Not. Okay, so we have the basis. Now for his eyebrows, I'm gonna make a couple of Nike symbols, Nike logos like this one here. First eyebrow, second one. It's gonna kind of fuse with the hair. And then just to finalize the eyes, I'm going to make an oval inside. So the eyes are ready. Now for his nostrils, it's just gonna be like two elongated ovals like this. And for his smile, we're going to start from the middle, and it's gonna be very close to the end of his face, and then we're gonna pull it up and make a simple smile like this. Now let's see what's missing. A few stitches here. Now for his tail, we're going to do it with a couple of curved lines. And here I'm going to draw a couple of letters C for the tie near the end of his tail. Another letter C. Then I have the first part of the tie, and here's the other side. Now for the tip of his tail, it's just gonna be something like fire, like this. Yeah. Now I'm erasing the excess lines so I don't get confused, and it's very useful sometimes when you have too many supporting lines. So now it's time to make a few folds in fabric, and there's gonna be one here next to the hand. A long fold here on his arm. I'll do something similar to the other arm, and then I'm gonna draw the fold next to his hand, like this. I'm gonna make another one next to the foot, and I just follow the lines I had already drawn. It's just gonna be the same process for the other foot. Now there's gonna be a line following the side of his arms and legs, showing where he had been sewed. And now for his stomach and chest, I'm just gonna make this arc with a few stitches on the side. Okay, so basically it's ready. Now it's time to use the marker and reinforce the lines. Using colored pencils, and you can see that I'm not using so many different colors. I'm just gonna use different tones, basically varying the pressure of the pencil on paper to show some light and shade like I'm doing now. But feel free to use whatever you have at hand. Whatever medium makes you feel the most comfortable, that's gonna be the right one for you. And that's it, my friends. Our friend Eeyore is ready. If you have enjoyed the video and if you feel you have learned something nice from it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching the video up to this point, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.